Most beginners lose money in the stock market for one simple reason. They start investing before they understand the basics. The good news? It's much simpler than most people think. You don't need to predict the next Tesla or Nvidia to build wealth. Today, I'll show you 5 beginner investing rules that can help you grow your money while avoiding the biggest mistakes new investors make. Let's get started on your wealth-building journey right now. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about consistently building wealth over years. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Here are 5 investing tips every beginner should know. Tip number 1, invest consistently, not occasionally. Many beginners wait for the perfect time to invest. The problem is, nobody knows when the perfect time is. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount every month. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. When prices are high, you buy fewer shares. When prices are low, you buy more shares. Over time, this helps smooth out market volatility. Consistency beats perfect timing almost every time. But here's where many beginners make their biggest mistake. They chase the hottest stock. Tip number 2, don't chase winners. When a stock has already skyrocketed, everyone suddenly wants to buy it. By then, the biggest gains may already be gone. Instead of buying based on hype, invest in businesses you actually understand. Ask yourself, how does this company make money? Does it have long-term growth potential? Would I still own this stock if the market dropped tomorrow? Successful investing is about patience, not excitement. Now here's something that surprises most beginners. Picking individual stocks isn't even necessary. Tip number 3, start with index funds. Index funds own hundreds or even thousands of companies in one investment. Instead of betting on one business, you're investing in the overall market. This gives you instant diversification. It also reduces your risk compared to buying individual stocks. Many of the world's best investors recommend index funds because they're simple, low cost, and historically have produced strong long-term returns. For most beginners, this is one of the smartest places to start. Now let's talk about something that can destroy your returns. Tip number 4, control your emotions. The stock market goes up, the stock market goes down. That's completely normal. But many beginners panic during market crashes. They sell when prices are low, then buy back after prices recover. That's exactly backwards. Market declines are part of investing. If your investments are based on strong companies or diversified index funds, temporary drops are often opportunities, not disasters. The investors who stay calm usually come out ahead. And finally, this last rule separates investors from gamblers. Tip number 5, think long-term. The stock market rewards patience, not panic, not hype, not day trading. If you're checking your portfolio every hour, you're focused on the wrong thing. Instead, think in years, even decades. The longer your money stays invested, the more compound growth works in your favor. Small investments made consistently over time can become surprisingly large. That's how real wealth is built. Investing isn't about luck, it's about discipline. You don't need to find the next $1 million stock. You simply need a plan that you can stick with through good markets and bad. Start small, invest consistently, stay diversified, ignore the daily headlines, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.